So just replacing the cartridge slot port on this Sega Mega Drive 2, and just showing you how I got this off. I desoldered all the pins, and but it was quite stuck on because of this. So what I did was cut this in half, and that made it come out. So cut it here and then there, and then I'll just figure out how to get these out afterwards, probably cut it off maybe. But also what I was thinking was, to save desoldering all the pins, you could actually probably run a knife under this port here, cut all the pins off, and probably risk, probably less likely to pull pads and stuff too. But yeah, I'll show you what I did. So got that off. So now I just got to figure out how to get these things out. These bits at the end that hold it in place. Do I just destroy it, or it's kind of like, I wonder if the new one comes with these parts here that hold it in place. I guess we'll try to cut it off. So what I did was I just squeezed the base here with these pliers, and it just popped off, and it left these things in here that hold it in place, so that's good, just in case the replacement doesn't come with them.